epic tree felling scenes, the exceptional skills of humans. All of this is in today's video. Dive in and explore. What do the tractors do when they are not busy in the forests? Let's find out. This is the tractor pulling competition. The tractors will have to pull a heavily loaded trailer. This is also a public performance to showcase the power of these machines and the superior handling skills of their operators. Wow! Despite pulling a heavy load, this tractor is moving very fast. Very powerful. But this one is the fastest. Amazing. The terrain in forests is very complex and sometimes treacherous. That's why the machines used for logging are designed to be powerful and versatile. This John Deere 1110 is stuck in a very deep, thick mud puddle. This is a common occurrence. Another excavator is pulling it out. Thank God everything is going smoothly. This tractor is moving down a steep slope. A truly heart-stopping situation. Can it make it down safely? I believe it will be okay. Yeah, it's evening now, thank God. What a relief. In areas with hot, dry conditions and high wildfire risk, cutting down trees can be very dangerous. The friction from the chainsaw creates very high temperatures, which can cause fires during the tree felling process. Let's see how this man has excellently completed his task. Do you see the smoke rising there? It looks like the tree is about to fall. Next, we move on to this incredibly powerful wood chipper. It can shred multiple trees at once, including large logs at a very fast speed. Let's take a look. Amazing! It shreds the large log so smoothly. Very powerful. Do you like it? Have you ever transported wood like this? Wow, it's lovely, isn't it? Want to see more epic monster logging machines? Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new beast machines.